Jejunostomy with jejunopexy using a double balloon endoscope. From the gastrointestinal endoscopy unit of the Department of Gastroenterology, University of Sao Paulo Medical School in Sao Paulo, Brazil. This picture depicts the upper digestive tract, the endoscope being advanced, double balloon. Transluminal elimination is performed and palpation to see where the best puncture is to be made. Using the FRECA system from Germany, which is depicted here. This shows the two-needle system, whereby a thread is passed through one needle and a loop wire is passed through the other, which is then caught with the loop wire and then pulled, thus forming a U configuration. The procedure starts by passing the double balloon endoscope past the ligament of Treitz. Transelimination and palpation shows the best place for needle puncture. The FRECA system from Germany is then used, and the two needles are then used to puncture the anterior abdominal wall. Careful endoscopic visualization is performed so that the needles do not puncture the other wall. This is the thread being passed through the other needle. The loop wire is then used and closed so that the thread is pulled, forming a U-shaped configuration. This is then tied, hence forming the jejunopexy. 3 centimeters away from the first suture, the same procedure is repeated, and another U-shaped configuration is done, forming another jejunopexy. This shows the loop wire going through the first needle and the thread going through the second needle. The wire is then caught, pulled, and the suture is performed. Between the two sutures, a cut is made. A trocar is then used to dilate the tract. A 9mm balloon tube is then passed, inflated with 3 cc's of water, and the sheath is pulled and peeled as shown here. This shows the system with the 2 sutures on either side of the balloon. Thank you.